So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to track visitors and website traffic on your WordPress site, here's how to add Google Analytics. Go to Google Analytics and sign in, then open Admin. Select or create an account, then click Create Property. Enter your website details and complete the setup. After creating your property, open the web data stream and copy the Google Analytics tracking code or measurement ID. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Instead of editing your theme files directly, use a trusted analytics or header code plugin to add the tracking code safely. Open the plugin settings and pass your Google Analytics code into the header section, then save your changes. Open your website in a new browser tab, then return to Google Analytics and check real-time to see whether your visit is detected. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.